What's up YouTube? This is your boy Chef Fitz in the building today, and today I'm gonna make a quick and easy breakfast menu. Alright, I'm gonna make a sausage quesadilla I'm making today. So let's introduce some of our ingredients. Here I have 2 eggs that I'm gonna whisk. I have some sausage, chicken sausage that I cut up nicely. I'm using a little bit of salt and pepper just for flavor. Alright, I have my tortilla there that I'm going to use to do the wrap. That's what they call the wrap. And some shredded cheese that we're using. Alright, so let's go in with a little bit of oil to quickly saute our sausage nicely. It's a quick and easy recipe where the kids gonna love it. Alright, so let's go in with our sausage quickly and give it a quick saute. Quick and easy breakfast we're making today. Guys, I'm telling you, man, this quesadilla, sausage quesadilla with egg and cheese, I'm telling you, it tastes so good, so nice. So in the meantime, add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper, just a pinch to my egg there. I'm going to go ahead and get a quick whisk. Whisk it nicely because you want to ensure that all your ingredients and everything is incorporated. Yeah, man, I'm telling you, you're going to love it. Quick and easy breakfast. Yes, I will continue to whisk our egg. In the meantime, while our sausage is sauteing nicely, catch all of that fragrance, that flavor, all of that goodness, and ensure that you use a non-stick skillet. That's very, very important. Alright, non-stick skillet. So remove our sausage and then we're going to go in with our egg. You don't have to wash the pot. Just put in your egg and ensure that it going nicely. Ensure that the egg cover all of the bottom of the skillet there. Nice. So using low heat to basically cook our egg here nicely. Alright, so we're going to go in and add a little bit of our shredded cheese. Quick and easy. Nice. So the reason why I added shredded cheese is for the cheese to hold the tortilla on the top. Alright, the same thing that we call wrap, the tortilla on the top. So let's quickly go in with our tortilla on top there. Alright, allow our cheese to melt. So after our cheese started to melt, and we're going to take our time and flip it over. Alright, if you find that you're getting a little bit of difficulty, ensure that you use a nice little go around the sides. So let's add our sausage back to it quickly. Nice and easy. I'm telling you guys, this is one of my favorite breakfast menu. Add a little bit of shredded cheese. That's what brings out the flavor to that. Shredded cheese helps to bring the flavor. Alright, so we're going to fold the side of it nicely, and we're going to allow that our rest of cheese to melt quick and nice and easy. Alright, so we're going to ensure that we kind of turn both sides, ensure that the two sides get that nice little heat, our cheese is melt and get that little flavor that we're looking for. Let's turn it over on the other side. Good. Don't worry about the ones that drop out, they can go in back easily once the cheese melt. Alright, so we're going to allow that for another 2 minutes, and then we're going to remove it and cut it nicely and let you guys see it. Beautiful. Yeah, man. And there you have it, guys, a nice and quick, easy quesadilla make with sausage, egg and cheese. I'm telling you, kids gonna love it. It tastes so nice. It's a proper breakfast menu. Look at that cheese, how it look, guys. Look at the drink. It's so delicious, guys. I hope you continue to subscribe to Chef Fitz or I need them on YouTube, also on Instagram, and also on Facebook. Yeah, our quesadilla. I'm out. Thank you.
Hey, don't do it.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings
I can do it, you can spread